Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it is your girl Precious RGK. I hope you're fine. I hope your day is fine. I hope everything is well with you and your family. And I hope you're smiling as you're watching this video. Let us thank God for another beautiful day and its numerous opportunity in our life. Let us thank God for He is ever loving and caring, and with Him nothing is impossible. Once again, you are welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do a lot of tea and natural hair care videos. I'll show you how to grow your hair thicker and longer using your own ingredients in the kitchen. I'm also into skincare products and children protective hairstyle. All my videos are natural and you can prepare them at the comfort of your home. There are no chemical added in all my videos. They are all natural and they are very effective. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for always coming to watch my video. Thank you for always giving me a massive thumbs up, and thank you for always commenting and sharing my videos. Your girl is super grateful for you guys. I will not be here without you. You're the reason I'm always producing video. Thank you so much. Remember, I am super grateful to you guys. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to share. Share for me is free of charge. Share this video, comment, give your girl a massive thumbs up, for it means so much to your girl here. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make carrot oil. We all know carrot is very essential to our skin and our hair. We'll begin to count all the benefits of carrot to our hair and our skin. Carrot oil contains high level of vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta carotene, which are essential nutrients for our hair and our skin. Carrot oil helps our hair to grow faster and thicker. Carrot oil improves hair texture, thereby making it shinier, smoother, and softer. Carrot oil helps to prevent hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Carrot oil restores moisture to our hair and scalp. Carrot oil slows down aging, soothes the skin, protects the skin from sun damage, helps treat various skin damages. So because of the importance of carrot oil, I have decided to show you guys how to make this carrot oil at the comfort of your home. Guys, for this video, I'll be using 2 big carrots and 2 medium carrots. So first you get your carrot, you wash your carrot and you peel the first layer out of your carrot using your knife to scrape the carrot. The reason why you're scraping, guys, is because if you buy your carrot from the market, you usually have this dirty look at the surface. So it is that dirty look we want to scrape out of it. That's why we're using our knife to scrape the carrot. And when you're done scraping your carrot, you grate your carrots just as I grate mine on this video. Guys, grating these carrots is going to take you some time, so you need a lot of patience to grate this carrot. And when you're done grating your carrots, you get a jar, a sterilized jar that have a cover, and you pour in all the carrots inside the jar. And when you're done pouring all the carrots inside the jar, you get your oil. Any oil of your choice, guys. You can use your extra olive oil, you can use your coconut oil, you can use your castor oil, you can use your sunflower oil. Any oil of your choice is okay, guys. But for this video, I'm using extra olive oil. So you pour in your oil inside the jar of carrots. You make sure the oil cover the carrots in the jar. When you stir the carrots in the jar to make sure that all the oil gets to every part of the carrot in the jar, get to the bottom, every part of the jar. And when you're done, you cover the jar and you shake it. Shake it until you're satisfied that the whole oil has covered every part of the carrot. And when you're done shaking it, you bring a towel to wrap your jar. The reason I'm using towel to wrap my jar is because I want it to absorb heat. Heat helps in making the carrot to dissolve faster. So guys, after wrapping your towel in your jar or wrapping your jar in your towel, you place it in a corner in your kitchen or in your house, any part at all that is usually warm. So you'll be coming to check it every time. So you'll be coming to check it when you come, you open it, you stir it, you mix it, you shake it. That's just what you'll be doing for this 2 weeks. Because you're going to store it for 2 weeks. So this is the fourth day of our carrots. And so I'll just stir it. Why I'm stirring it because I just want the whole oil to mix in the carrot very, very well. This is 1 week after. This is 1 week later. I'll bring it again, stir it. Why we are stirring and shaking again is because we want the whole carrot to mix in the oil. We want it to mix very well in the oil, in the carrot. So this is the last day after the 2 weeks. This on 2 weeks completion. So what we're going to do now is we are going to sieve our carrot from the oil. So you see how I'm squeezing it, guys? Here is the particle of the carrot and my oil is in my bowl. So this is my carrot oil. You can see, wow, the color is live. So this is just the whole process to make your carrot oil, guys. You can use it to rub your skin, use it on your hair. If you want to use it on your hair, you add shea butter. If you want to use it on your skin, you add vitamin E. That's just it. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.